It's time to upgrade these rear lights. Now I've seen the new facelift model on the Toyota Aygos which have the LED strip lights in them, which looks pretty cool. And I've seen someone online that actually got them installed, so I gave this a shot. I bought a set of these lights from a local scrapyard. One of the socket wiring was missing, so I went straight to Toyota to get them, as I couldn't find them anywhere else. Now installing the lights, you just need to take off the outside 2 bolts, and inside there are some fixings that you need to take off, and the wiring is just a simple plug-in. Check this out guys, all the lights were working fine. Now instead of having 2 reverse lights on the old model, there is only 1 reverse light, which is on the left, and 1 fog light which is on the right. Indicators and brake lights were working perfectly fine. And finally the LED strip light looks awesome. So guys, if you drive a Toyota Aygo which is a non-facelift model and wondering if you can install these LED lights, well now you know you can. Take care, peace.